Saturday for Memorial Day weekend, and I'm out here riding with OG Dustin, and we got Boom out here also. Woo! Yeah, man, it's gonna be a lovely day, an epic day. It's gonna be an amazing day. Gonna hit some jumps and have a good time. Oh, that was freaking amazing! How did that look?
That looked good.
Dude, fucking big,
way too far.
big difference with the 125 and this bike. Let me do it one more again. Woo! Got the Lord taking care of us. That's second, third, fourth. You know, if your hauling ass is gonna go right fast up enough, and by the time your suspension's coming up, that's what's gonna be launching you. Well, I'm gonna go for it.
Yeah, let's do it. You want me to record you?
Dustin's gonna record me. It's already recording.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, if the screen turns off, you could just tap it.
Yeah, I remember.
It'll turn back on.
I've commanded this thing before.
Alright.
Be safe out there. He's looking good today. Yeah, he's freaking killing it, dude. He's going another round, you can tell. I probably look like a drunk person because as he's going over there, I was shifting my feet, so I was like, we're on the cameras all over the place. He'll edit that out, hopefully. Oh, we got a drunk guy riding right down the dunes. Let me shift my feet now. That was his best one. Yeah, he's feeling his Wheaties today for sure. I could see it as soon as we got out here. I was like, oh, dude, Smokey's feeling it today.
That feels good.
Good.
More speed.
That's all right. I mean, it came up short, but the landing wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad, no.
Yeah, good for him, dude.
Yeah.
For having the balls to do that?
Yeah.
Fucking hey, dude.
I know. Yeah. Oh. Hey! No. Whew. You good?
Yeah.
Come on, Boom. You good? You good? Like it there.
I felt it get wobbly at the top.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. You got that on video,
dude. You're fucking ripping out there, man. Thank you.
I'm fucking 50. Dude, I felt my butt end come out. I'm good though.
Yeah, that's when you know you're pushing yourself. That's part of the progress, dude.
It's all part of it.
Yeah.
I had my head kind of hard. I'm good though.
Oh shit.
I think that's a sign to go back to camp. I'm good though, I think.